So now I will switch over from the operator portal to the customer portal. And when the customers of a service provider create an account and log in, this is what they will see. So you can see here is a list of the smart machines that this customer has running, summarized here. I can go into a specific smart machine and get the details on it. And if you notice, these are the same details that the service provider saw in the operator portal when they looked at this customer smart machine. I can go over here and order a new smart machine here, and this is where the data sets and packages come up for the customer, so they can select which data center they want to be in. There's only one in this case. They can select, in this case, do they want a Node data set or SmartOS data set? If we made others available, they would come down here, and they can select how big of a smart machine they want, and of course then the service provider would have a different price for these different things. And if I go back into the details on the smart machine, you can see here is usage data. Now I've had this smart machine running the whole time, so the usage is just in the running state. But this is where the customer can see how long they've had the smart machine in any given state. If I'd stopped it, it would show it as running for 4.5 hours and stopped for however long I'd had it stopped. Now this data is available for every smart machine, and the service provider through the private API can get the usage data on every single smart machine that is in the data center, and they can then tie that into their billing system to generate invoices for these customers. So for the customer, I can get it for the latest month, or I could get it for past months if there were any past months that this had been running. And then also on this page is where I can manage my smart machine. I can do a shutdown, and once it's shut down, I could delete it, or I can do a reboot on the smart machine here.